day everyone, welcome again to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to generate a stunning and high quality image like this using an AI for free. You can generate unlimited image, consistent image with a prompt for your products. You can generate an AI image for your product, for your business, for anything you are doing. You can see all these sample image. You can see this beautiful young guy. I generate all these images with AI, and I'm going to be showing you step by step how I generate some of this image. I generate this guy pressing laptop. I generate this guy pressing laptop with AI. So these are the things I'm going to be showing you today. So if you are watching, if you are on my YouTube channel for the first time, make sure you subscribe and turn on the notification bell so that you can get the latest video anytime I upload video on my YouTube channel. And like and comment. If you have any question, make sure you drop it. So I'm going to be dropping some prompts at the end of this video, so let's follow it step by step so that you can get the hint of this video. Thank you. You are welcome. So today the AI we're using is called meta.ai. This is an AI that is developed by Facebook, meta.ai. Just type meta.ai on your browser if you are using laptop to access this video. So I'm going to be using meta.ai and ChatGPT to generate a beautiful image. I'm going to come to ChatGPT and I will write something. Let's say I'll write a prompt. Write a prompt to generate images of a young Nigerian lady with her mother praying for her on a traditional wedding day. So this ChatGPT, although we have the idea, but ChatGPT is going to help us to rewrite it in a way that when we post it on meta.ai, we are going to get a quality and stunning that is very sharp. You're going to get a good image. That is why we are using ChatGPT. But in the same way, we can easily use meta.ai. But I want to get, because the prompt I write the grammar may be somehow incorrect or correct, but I may not get quality image. That is why I have to paste it in ChatGPT, so ChatGPT can help me to get a quality image. So I'll just paste it here, and let's see what will happen in the next few minutes. Let's see the magic of meta.ai. So we are going to see 4 images that are beautiful. So just wait. Wow. See images. You can see what we put here is create a heartwarming image of a young Nigerian lady in traditional wedding attire, cleaning with her mother in prayer. The screen should capture the essence of traditional Nigerian wedding with vibrant color, intricate pattern, and cultural significant detail. The mother face should reflect wisdom and deep emotion. While you can see with ChatGPT was able to help me to add more flesh to my grammar, and this is the little that I have here. This is what I just have here, because I just want small thing, but ChatGPT helped me to elaborate the text, and I was able to get this. Let's say I just want to use this original one that I have in mind here, so I'll just say generate image, and let's see the difference now. So you can see the difference. So I just give ChatGPT to generate, to add more flesh to my word so that I can get a beautiful image. But with the small thing that I have in mind before, I can still get something. So you can see it now. Wow, I even love this one. I love this one because this one really shows the realistic that we are generating traditional wedding picture. You can see now, this is the flower, this is the lady, this is the mother. You can see that they even wear the same clothes here. I love this third one very well. And how can you download this picture? I'm going to be showing us how you can download this picture. So if you have it on your laptop, you just click on this icon and you download the image. So I'm going to download this image. If you need any of this image for your graphic design, if you want me to generate image for you on any of your products, I can generate image for you for free. So if you're having any question, you can drop in the comment section so you can see the difference. Now let's say we want to generate more image of this. I will just tell this meta.ai generate generate more of it. So you can see you can be generating consistent image that looks similar to what you are doing. You can be generating consistent image that looks similar to what you are doing. Let's say you are into electrician, you can tell ChatGPT to be generating more image. You can see now, these are another people, these are another people. I will still tell this thing to generate more. Generate more. It will keep on generating more, keep on generating more. So there's no limit to this meta.ai. And don't forget, this AI is developed by Facebook. You can use it at any time. You can see you can generate it more. So now let's say we are not generating image for wedding. I can do something now. Generate image of a young man pressing keyboard in the church, inside the church. So generate image of, I just put Nigeria because I want it to look much like my local people here, my foreign people, my indigenous people. If you are not in Nigeria, you can put other country. You can put South Africa, you can put American. It will generate it for you. So once I click on enter, we are going to see the result of this image. So we can see it has already generated one the moment I start clicking. So now let's see, it's going to generate more now. So you can see it now. Wow, I love this one. I love this one. You can see it now. This is keyboard. I love this. At least it represents what we are looking for. This is church keyboard and this one too. So AI at times may not give you 100% correct information, but you can see now at least we have what we are aiming at. So this is how you can generate image. This is how you can generate image with AI, and ChatGPT can help you to make your prompt look more advanced. Like I can post it here now. I can tell ChatGPT to write a prompt for this. Write a quality prompt for this. So you see now, I'll just click on enter. ChatGPT will write it for me, and this thing will look more professional, more than the way I put it before. So let me copy this one for the last time for this class. I'm going to post it now, and let's see. So this is it. It's generating the image for us within a second, and we can see it now. We are going to see it now. So we're going to see the difference. Wow, you can see that this one still look more advanced. The guy is wearing suit here, and we can see it now. You can see it now. I love it. Another thing you can do is that you can animate your image with this Meta AI. You can animate your image. I'll just click on animate. You can see that our image will be showing animation now after loading. To be showing animations. So now you just wait for it. And you will see the display, the new effects that we just made on this image. So let's see. You can see now the guy is moving now. Unlike before that is not moving, you can see now this thing look like real life, that he is pressing keyboard. You can see now. So this AI is a very powerful AI that we can use. So let's say you are a business owner, you are selling solar. I will say generate image of a young man in Nigeria that is repairing or that is installing solar. Solar panel. So you can see for any business you can generate unlimited image. I'm just showing us as an example. So you can generate unlimited image. Let's see the result that we're going to have in this tutorial. Wow, I love this. So we can see it now. This AI have generated another wonderful image for us. You can see this one now. You can see it. Can generate any type of image. You guys should try it out. And let me tell you, you can make money by generating image AI for people that are on Fiverr. You can apply on Fiverr, you can apply on Upwork and get paid. So this is the end of this tutorial. If you have any question, you can drop in the comment section. I will attend to them. Good day. See you next time. Make sure you share the video to your friend and loved one. Thank you.